Guys, flash flood warning.
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain, flash flooding of small streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Worcester, Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Framingham, East Providence, Woonsocket, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Coventry, Cumberland, Natick, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick,